There were two bills that were possibly going to be voted on even this week. One making it easier to buy a silencer for your gun, and the idea there being that in a shooting range in a residential area, it cause less disturbance. It also protect the hearing of sportsmen. But critics of that say it would actually make it harder to run away in an incident like we saw in Las Vegas, and Hillary Clinton made that point, if you can't hear the gunfire. Also a bill that would allow conceal carry laws in one state to apply to another. But for obvious reasons, politically, it looks pretty unlikely those will come up at least this week. However, there's also no sign at all of Republicans dropping them. After all, they control the House and the Senate, and it's worth remembering Donald Trump really embraced the National Rifle Association very enthusiastically. So, that's the way the wind is blowing right now.